Hi everyone, my name is Jenny and I'm here to talk to you about money. That's right, how you can make money off of your Jamberry business. Our compensation plan is one of the most rewarding in all of direct sales. And today I'm going to help you work your way through it and figure out some of the lingo and how things work together. All of this information is also on your dashboard under resources and training. There are some other videos and there are some documents that you'll probably want to print out and read through those as well. But today I can at least help you get started. There are 5 primary ways to earn money and other rewards from your Jamberry business, and we're going to take a look at each of these different ways that you can earn income. The first way that you can earn income is off of your personal sales. All consultants, regardless of your rank, receive 30% commission from personal retail volume, and we like to refer to that as PRV. PRV will be ingrained in your brain. Retail commissions earned Wednesday through Tuesday will be paid out on the following Friday. PRV is the actual retail value of the products you sell. PRV is earned from personal orders, orders placed on behalf of customers, and inventory purchases. PRV is not earned, however, on purchases using the consultant discount, which is 30%. It's not earned when you are redeeming product credits and e-gift certificates, or when purchasing marketing or promotional materials. Our personal discount is the same percentage as our commission. However, if a consultant chooses to use the personal discount, he or she won't receive PRV, which means that your upline won't receive TRV and DRV, which we're going to explain coming up. And the consultant will not earn a sales bonus, which we're also going to talk about in just a minute. So if you have a choice of whether to make a purchase using your personal discount or to accept the commission off of your sales, it's always better to just place a regular order or an inventory order. That way, if your sales add up, you can still get a sales bonus off of your sales. Okay, so next we're going to actually talk about sales bonuses. Sales bonuses are based on the amount of PRV sold in a calendar month. Active consultants will earn a sales bonus. Each month all consultants are required to sell at least $200 in PRV to be considered active. Okay, so as your PRV increases, you can see here, so does the percentage of your sales bonus. So at the end of the month, if you're looking at your sales and you've got like $485 in PRV, you probably want to buy an extra sheet of wraps for yourself or make a push in your parties to get a little bit more sales, because your sales bonus will increase as soon as you get to 500. Sales bonuses are paid out on the 10th of every month. Okay, the next way to earn income off of your business is to build a team. We receive income off of the sales of our team up to 3 levels deep. Okay, so the term PRV, we talked about that. That's personal retail volume. The next acronym that we talk about is TRV. TRV is your team retail volume, and that is the volume, that is the sales of yourself and everyone under you down to the next team manager. And we'll get into that a little bit more in just a few minutes. Also, let's talk about the term active leg. If you look here at the chart, the compensation chart, you see that there are requirements. You have a personal retail volume requirement, you have a team retail volume requirement, and then it says active leg requirements. The term active leg, what that means is if you recruit someone, that person and all of the people under that person are considered one leg. As soon as one person from that leg is active, you have an active leg. Whether you have one person on that leg or 50 people on that leg that are active, it's still considered one active leg because they all filter in to that one recruit of yours. Okay, so if it's your recruit that's active, that's an active leg. If it's someone 4 or 5 or 10 levels down the line that becomes active first, that still is considered one active leg. And the same is true for additional leg requirements. If you look at the requirements for senior lead consultant, you see that you have to have 3 active legs, and one of those must be an advanced consultant. As soon as one person from that leg is an advanced consultant, you've met that requirement. Okay, so let's look at an example. Here you see there's you at the top, and you are a senior lead consultant. Okay, so in this particular month, you have $1,000 PRV, you have $3,000 TRV, and as you can see here, you have 3 personal recruits. Okay, you've got Elsa, you've got Tiana, and you've got Ariel. On this particular month, Elsa only has $100 of PRV, so she's not considered active. However, Elsa's recruit, Anna, of course, she is active. She's sold $500 in PRV, and she has a recruit for herself. Maybe she was working towards her fast starts. Okay, so Anna, Tiana, and Ariel are all considered your active legs. You have 3 active legs. Under Anna, she has a recruit. She has Olaf. And Olaf just joined this month. So the month that we join, we're considered active for that entire month, regardless of how much we sell. So Olaf just joined. He's considered an active leg for Anna. So Anna is now considered an advanced consultant. So you have your 3 active legs. You have Anna, Tiana, and Ariel. And Anna is an advanced consultant. So she meets that requirement for you to be a senior lead consultant. Okay, as your rank increases, the bigger the percentage and the deeper you go as far as how much money you're earning off of your personal team. Okay, level overrides are a percentage of the downline's personal commissionable volume, or PCV, or sometimes you just see CV. Okay, commissionable volume is generally 65% of the retail value of the item sold. Other than the indulgence hand care products, and those are 60%, and the e-gift cards, which are 55%. As you can see, Premier Consultant here earns 12% off of level 1s, 7% off of level 2s, and 4% off of level 3s. And again, this is not their personal retail volume, this is the personal commissionable volume. Okay, so let's say that now you have promoted and now you are a Premier Consultant. Okay, your paid as rank is a Premier Consultant. And speaking of the paid as rank, each month we're paid based on the rank that we have achieved that month. So every single person in this company is starting back at consultant each month, and we have to re-earn our rank. That's one of the things that keeps us on our toes and really helps us to build our business. We can't just sit back and let our business run for itself. We have to work every month to make sure that we meet all of the requirements for our rank. Okay, so let's say you've moved up and now you're a Premier Consultant. You're paid as rank. Okay, your personal recruit, Elsa, she has $500 in PRV for this next month. Okay, so let's just say that she's only selling nail wraps. She hasn't sold anything else. Her personal commissionable volume is $325. You get 12% of that, so that's $39 in your pocket off of Elsa's sales. Elsa has a recruit, Anna, and Anna has sold $300 in PRV, which is $195 in commissionable volume. You get 10% of Anna because she's your level 2, which is $19.50. And finally down to Anna. Anna, she's still a little bit, Olaf is still a little bit new, he just joined. He sold $200 in PRV to make himself active. That works out to $130 in commissionable volume, and that's $5.20 in your pocket. So this is just one of your legs. So the more legs you have, all of these numbers really start to add up. And the next way to earn income, we've talked about your personal commission and your personal sales bonus. We talked about your level overrides. The next thing is the Fast Start program. And if you look on this page, you'll actually see that there is a whole section devoted to the Fast Start training. So I'm not going to get into that too much. you'll learn about that in another way. Advancement and matching bonuses. This is the fourth way to earn income off of your business. Starting at lead consultant, we receive additional bonuses for obtaining a new rank. From lead consultant to premier consultant, those bonuses are time sensitive. So you can see here that when you reach lead consultant within your sign up month and 3 calendar months, so basically within your fast start period, you earn an advancement bonus of $100. For senior lead consultant, you have your sign up month plus 4 months and you receive another $100. Premier consultant, you get your sign up month plus 5 months and you get a $200 bonus. Once you reach team manager, there's actually no deadline to reach team manager. As soon as you reach team manager, you get a $500 bonus. For the other ones, if you reach it after that deadline, you receive half of the bonus. Okay, here's the coolest part of all. Not only are you receiving that bonus, or not only are your recruits receiving that bonus, but their sponsor receives the same bonus. So when you promote to lead consultant, your sponsor, as long as she is paid as the same rank or higher, will get the same bonus as you. Same is true all the way down through team manager. When you get that bonus, your sponsor is getting the same bonus as long as she's paid as the same rank. So when your recruits reach those bonuses or reach those ranks, if you're at that level or higher, you're getting the same bonus that she is. If the consultant sponsor is not paid at that rank or higher, the matching bonus is not paid to anyone. The team manager bonus is an exception. Okay, if you reach team manager and your sponsor is not a team manager or higher, that bonus will go to the next team manager or higher in the upline. So this is really awesome. You really can start getting some awesome cash bonuses as you move up, and having that time sensitivity, sort of helps you set your goals. You want to reach those goals in time because you want to try and get those bonuses. And then the fifth way to earn income off of your business is through generational overrides. Okay, and this is probably what tricks up people the most with looking at all the different bonuses that are available. When you achieve the rank of senior team manager, you are eligible to receive a 3% generational override on all first generation TMs or higher below you. Okay, we're going to talk about this in detail, so don't get worried if this is sounding like gibberish. As an executive, you can receive a 4% generational override on all first generation TMs or higher below you, plus a 3% override on all second generation TMs or higher. Eventually, you can earn up to 5 generations deep. Okay, so this part of the compensation plan here, this is for all of the promotions from senior team manager up to elite executive. You can see that there are also advancement bonuses. So as you move up, the bonuses obviously get much higher. And then you can see where it says level overrides. You're still getting the same level overrides that we talked about before. And now at the bottom of the chart, there's generational overrides. So as a senior team manager, you earn 3% off of any first generation team managers below you. Or not even just team managers, but teams. It's for a full team. So let's look at how this works. Okay, so let's say that you are a lead executive. That means that you are receiving generation overrides that are 4 levels deep. Okay, the first 3 levels you get a 4% override or a 4% bonus, and then the last level, the 4th level, you get a 3% override. Okay, so we've talked about our team here. We know a little bit of our team. Everybody's moving up the ranks. So now Elsa, she's a senior executive. Her TRV, her team retail volume, is 17,000, and her commissionable volume, assuming she's only selling wraps, is 11,050. Okay, this does not have to be your level 1 recruit. Okay, let's say that Elsa didn't ever do anything and Anna is the first team manager underneath you. She'll count as your level 1, or your first generation team. But But in this case, our first recruit, Elsa, she's an executive, which is a team manager or higher. So you receive 4% of her commissionable volume. So you get $442 off of her team. Okay, so her team is all the people under her, except it stops at Anna. So Anna's leg is a different, counts towards her DRV, but does not count towards her TRV. Okay, so Anna is a new generation. Okay, Anna's TRV, so all of Anna's recruits and all of their recruits down to Olaf their TRV is $12,000, which is $7,800 in commissionable volume. You get 4% off of that, which means $312 off of Anna's team. And then there's Olaf. He's just reached team manager, so his TRV is $8,500. The commissionable volume is $5,525, and you get 4% off of that as well, so you get $221 off of Olaf's team. So that's $975 in generational overrides for you. That's in addition to your personal commission, your sales bonus, and all of your level overrides. In addition to all of those different ways that you're earning money, there are other bonuses and rewards that you can earn. For example, you get a fast start bonus. All of your level 1s and level 2s that are still in their fast start period, you're going to be earning an additional 5% of their commissionable volume while they're in that fast start period. We also earn marketing credit. As long as you sell at least $600 in PRV a month, you are earning at least $25 in marketing materials credit that you can use towards catalogs and samples, post-join brochures, and other things like that. Anything that says MM in the shop tab, you can use it on that. And then, huge thing here, we earn points towards the incentive trip each year. For this year, we're working towards a trip to Maui. And so this chart right here, and you can find this also in your dashboard, explains some of the ways that you can earn points. And then throughout the year, they might announce different ways that you can earn points. For example, we get extra points for going to regional conferences and the international conference. And then throughout the year, Jamberry will surprise us with other credits and incentives based on our sales or recruiting or different things like that. So there's always a different way to be earning some type of reward for working your business. And I think that is it. My advice is to print out several copies of the compensation plan, learn it and love it. Post these copies wherever you look. Put a copy on your mirror. If you have a desk job, put a copy of the compensation plan up on your wall. Try to learn this compensation plan. Study it. Also print out the compensation plan guide from your dashboard, because that gives a lot more detail into all the different ranks, the requirements, different examples, and be looking ahead 1 or 2 promotions to see what you need to get for the next month. What do I need to get this month? And if you're looking ahead, if you don't make it there, then you're still landing further ahead than you are now. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask your team manager or anyone on this page. Thanks.